The first way to make money online in 2026 is to do high ticket. So, what does high ticket mean and what is it exactly? High ticket simply means something expensive. So, by expensive, what I mean is it should be priced between at least $1,000 all the way to $10,000. And technically, you can price like higher than that. There's no limit. For example, when people buy a home or a car, it's a high ticket item. It's worth like tens of thousands, even hundreds of thousands, even millions of dollars. So that's really, really high ticket. Now, if you're wondering, okay, but what are we selling exactly? You can sell a few things. You can sell services, but they suck. I'm going to explain that in just a second. You can sell info or courses, and that's the best way to do it, really. So why do services fucking suck? Well, if you think about it this way, a service, you're doing the work for someone else, right? Now, you work for yourself, sure, right, you're self-employed on paper, but you do the work for someone else. Like, your boss is not the boss directly from like your 9 to 5 or whatever, but your boss is your customer. They have to tell you what you need to do for them and then you have to do it. It's basically being a glorified freelancer. Now, the big difference between being a freelancer and being a service provider and agency owner is that you're not going to do everything alone and it looks more like an actual business. Like if you want to do services the proper way, then you just hire other people and you manage them and they do the work for your customers. So you don't have to be in the trenches every single day. But at first, when you're just getting started, that is probably what you're going to be doing. So services suck. I did them back in 2021, 2022, and that's how I got my first clients, I was helping agency owners, coaches, consultants to book more sales calls for their businesses, because that's how you grow a high-ticket business. That's one of the ways to grow. Like you need to book more sales calls, because the more sales calls you conduct, well then, the more clients you're going to get. But it's only one of the things that goes into scaling a high-ticket business, of course. The best thing you can sell for a high ticket price, 1K to 10K, is info, and that means courses. So the best way I've seen this work is like you've got a course, and then maybe you have one weekly coaching call, or maybe a few weekly coaching calls with you, or maybe different experts you hire, etc., on the topic you're teaching. So the big pros of a high ticket is that you get a lot of money upfront per client. For example, that is not like a fake or anything. It's literally a Stripe notification I took from my own business. That was one of my first few real high ticket sales, for a course at least. And as you can see, like you get notifications telling you you received a payment of $1,000. And that wasn't even that high ticket. Let me show you something. Now, most people pay in installment plans, as you can see, like it's not thousands of euros every time the transactions, but you can see some transactions are like, for example, this one, 2,000 euros. That's somebody who paid in full or like in half, because high ticket is typically expensive stuff. Now, the other downside of a high ticket is that you have to sell a solution to a painful problem. Like you can't just make a course that you sell for $10,000 to help everyday people have a pretty garden or cook some healthy food. It's not gonna work. Like if you could only target rich people somehow, sure, okay, do that, but you can't. Like you can't say in your ads or in your content, hey, only watch this if you're rich and only book a call if you're rich. It doesn't work that way. So if you want a high ticket offer to work, it needs to be about helping a person to achieve a great transformation, helping them to solve a painful problem. And typically there's like 3 main categories. There's health, wealth, relationships. If you can have a product around one of these 3 things, you're going to make a fuck ton of money, especially if you solve a painful problem. For example, you help people to invest in real estate, in the wealth niche, or you help content creators to get more sales through content, or you have an agency that makes their content for them. Like there are so many different things you can do. And in relationships, you could coach people on how to find the love of their life or things like that, how to avoid a divorce. Like there's so many different things. So for that reason, I'm going to put it in S tier because it is one of the best ways to make money online because it's really high profit. When you sell a digital product, it's like 90 to 96% in profit. Just like with any business, there are cons, but most of the ways to make money online, you'll see they don't fucking work. And how do I know? Well, I tried all of them. I was a broke kid from the low middle class who just wanted to get rich, and so naturally, I typed how to get rich on the YouTube search bar. I've watched like hundreds of how to make money online videos. I discovered it when I was like 11, 12 years old. Now I'm 23, so that was like 11, 12 years ago. It's pretty nuts when you think about it. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast.